Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that touches all of our hearts: happiness. We all seek that elusive feeling of joy and contentment, but sometimes it feels just out of reach. What if I told you that achieving happiness can be simplified into just 3 actionable steps? In this video, we'll explore practical methods to cultivate gratitude, foster meaningful connections, and focus on positive actions that can transform your daily life. Whether you're looking for a quick mood boost or a lasting change in your outlook, these strategies are designed to help you embrace happiness in a way that feels authentic and achievable. So, let's get started on this journey toward a happier you. To achieve happiness in just 3 steps, consider the following effective methods based on various insights. 1. Practice gratitude. Think positively. Reflect on what you appreciate in your life. This could be as simple as acknowledging a kind gesture from a friend or the beauty of nature. Start each day by identifying one thing you are grateful for, which can significantly enhance your mood and outlook. To effectively practice gratitude and enhance your happiness, consider the following examples and explanations. Morning gratitude reflection. Example: when you wake up, take a moment to think of 3 things you are grateful for. This could be the warmth of your bed, the sound of birds outside, or the support of a loved one. Explanation: starting your day with gratitude sets a positive tone. It helps you focus on the good aspects of your life rather than any stressors or challenges you might face later in the day. This practice can cultivate a sense of appreciation for the simple joys that often go unnoticed, fostering a more optimistic outlook throughout your day. B. Gratitude walk. Example: take a walk in nature and consciously notice the beauty around you, like the colors of the leaves, the sound of rustling branches, or the feeling of the sun on your skin. Explanation: a gratitude walk is not just about physical activity. It's a meditative practice that encourages mindfulness. By engaging your senses and reflecting on what you appreciate in your environment, you enhance your awareness and deepen your appreciation for life's small pleasures. This can lead to feelings of peace and joy. C. Gratitude journaling. Example: at the end of each day, write down 3 things that made you feel grateful. These can range from significant events to small moments like enjoying a delicious meal or receiving. Explanation: keeping a gratitude journal allows you to reflect on positive experiences regularly. This practice not only reinforces positive memories but also helps shift your focus away from negative thoughts. Over time, this can improve your mood and increase feelings of satisfaction and contentment in life. Incorporating these practices into your daily routine can significantly enhance your sense of happiness by fostering a mindset focused on appreciation and positivity. 2. Connect with others. Engage meaningfully. Make an effort to connect with people around you. Smile at others, make eye contact, and express appreciation verbally or through kind actions. This fosters a sense of community and belonging, which is crucial for emotional well-being. You could also try saying "I love you." Connecting with others meaningfully is essential for enhancing happiness and emotional well-being. Here are explanations and examples to illustrate this concept. Use eye contact and active listening. Example: when conversing with a friend, maintain eye contact and nod to show you are engaged. If they share something personal, respond thoughtfully rather than shifting the conversation. Explanation: eye contact and active listening demonstrate that you value the other person's thoughts and feelings. This fosters a sense of connection and trust, making the interaction more meaningful. According to research, being fully present in conversations can significantly strengthen relationships by making individuals feel appreciated and understood. B. Express appreciation regularly. Example: if a colleague helps you with a project, say, "Thank you for your support on this. I really appreciate how you took the time to explain things to me." Explanation: regularly expressing gratitude not only acknowledges the other person's efforts, but also reinforces positive behavior. It can create a cycle of kindness where the other person feels valued and is likely to continue their supportive actions. Specific compliments, such as detailing what you appreciate about someone, can deepen your connection. C. Share quality time. Example, plan a weekly dinner with family or friends where everyone shares something they appreciate about one another. Explanation, spending quality time together allows for deeper conversations and strengthens bonds. Activities that involve sharing experiences or expressing gratitude can enhance feelings of belonging and community. This practice encourages openness and vulnerability, which are crucial for building strong relationships. By implementing these practices, you can cultivate more meaningful connections with those around you, leading to enhanced happiness and emotional fulfillment. 3. Focus on positive actions. Take small steps. Engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. This might include exercising, pursuing hobbies, or simply spending time with loved ones. Even small actions like taking a walk or enjoying a favorite meal can elevate your spirits and contribute to overall happiness. Focusing on positive actions is a powerful way to enhance your happiness. Engaging in activities that bring joy and fulfillment can significantly improve your overall well-being. Here are some explanations and examples to illustrate this concept. Engage in physical activity. Example, go for a brisk walk or join a dance class. Even a short 20-minute workout can elevate your mood. Explanation, exercise releases endorphins, which are chemicals in the brain that act as natural painkillers and mood elevators. Regular physical activity has been linked to reduced feelings of anxiety and depression, promoting a sense of accomplishment and well-being. For instance, participating in group sports can also foster social connections, further boosting happiness through community engagement. Pursue hobbies. Example, dedicate time each week to a hobby you love, such as painting, gardening, or playing an instrument. Explanation, engaging in hobbies allows for creative expression and provides a sense of purpose. When you immerse yourself in activities that you are passionate about, it can lead to a state of flow where you lose track of time and feel completely absorbed. This not only enhances your skills but also contributes to feelings of satisfaction and joy. C. Spend quality time with loved ones. Example, organize a family game night or have coffee with a friend. Explanation, quality interactions with loved ones create lasting memories and strengthen relationships. Sharing experiences, whether through laughter or meaningful conversations, can significantly boost your mood and foster feelings of belonging. Studies show that social connections are crucial for emotional health, making it essential to prioritize time spent with those who uplift you. D. Enjoy simple pleasures. Example, take a moment to savor your favorite meal or enjoy a warm bath. Explanation, simple actions like enjoying food mindfully or taking time to relax can enhance your appreciation for daily life. These small moments of joy help cultivate mindfulness and gratitude, making it easier to recognize the positive aspects of your day-to-day experience. By focusing on these positive actions, whether through physical activity, hobbies, quality time with others, or enjoying simple pleasures, you can create a more joyful and fulfilling life. Each small step contributes to an overall increase in happiness and emotional well-being. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of enhancing happiness through simple yet powerful practices. By practicing gratitude, we can shift our focus to the positive aspects of our lives, allowing us to appreciate even the smallest joys. Connecting with others meaningfully fosters a sense of community and belonging, reminding us that relationships are vital for our emotional well-being. Finally, by focusing on positive actions, we empower ourselves to engage in activities that bring us joy and fulfillment, enriching our daily experiences. Incorporating these steps into your routine can lead to a more positive mindset and an overall increase in happiness. Remember, happiness is not just a destination, it's a journey we embark on every day. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on living your best life. Let's continue to cultivate positivity together. Until next time, take care and keep shining.